Hey everyone, this is an emergency Bitcoin video. It is September 7th, 2024, and I believe I have found the Bitcoin bottom or baseline or legacy line. If you've been following my channel for some time, you know that this is a very important line to me. We have historically always come back to base at this point in the cycle before we take off for the euphoric phase of the cycle. It happens every year, every cycle. It's very consistent. Every 4 years we do come back to base, but my problem was trying to find out exactly where the bottom was. And I think I have finally found the legacy line right here. So I know it drops through the legacy line right here, but it does come back and support it. We had a touch here on August 5th. We are coming close to it now, and theoretically, if we do hit this bottom channel, we should start making our way up. Zooming in on the chart, I do want to highlight some similarities. So back in June, we did have a channel that was forming that we fell out of, came back, went back into, fell out of again. And this is where I believe we are at in our cycle now. See this? So this was July 4th. We dumped over the weekend. We went back up, hit the support line of the downward sloping channel that was created here, went back down, didn't quite reach this lowest point, forming a W, coming back up, and on Monday we pumped through, retested the downward sloping channel on the inside, creating resistance as support and pumping up through. I think we are about to witness the exact same move right here this weekend, this very weekend as we speak. This is what is happening. We have rejected the bottom downward sloping channel line, and it has acted as resistance. Even if we do come down here, this would scare out a lot of people, but we should reject off of this point right here. This is 51,474. Right here is 51,315. If this is correct, we are about to pull out of this consolidation range that we've been in for quite some time. This is what I wanted to give you an update on, as everyone here is screaming that we could be falling into the 40s. What I'm seeing is that we are about to reverse trend. Do not get shaken out at this point. This is probably the most important point of the Bitcoin cycle. You know, all the altcoins are at their lowest points. Now is the time to get in, okay? I also wanted to highlight something that was very mechanical. You can see here on March 5th, we bottomed May 1st, we bottomed July 4th, August 5th, and then September 5th and 6th, almost to the day. Between these dates is 60 days, 60 days, 60 days, and this just so happened to tank in 30 days. It's been very mechanical, very consistent, almost like the market makers have planned this consolidation move out, like they know this ahead of time. Very interesting. Anyways, if the market makers are actually manipulating this, we should see a retest here. We might not see a retest. We might just pump up through just like this and continue up. We'll see. Going back to the previous cycle, we can see that here. We finally hit base support in 2019, 2020. We hit base support before we pulled out. Now this is an anomaly, okay? I do have to preface this. If there is any catastrophic, unforeseeable events that happen, such as COVID, we will drop through. This baseline, it's only as consistent as the economic environment, okay? right here. I just want to highlight that this cycle top didn't fulfill its $110,000 to $120,000 price target. Why? Why was that? China banned Bitcoin mining in the entire country, and that created a 50% drop right at the most important part of our cycle. So Bitcoin is not immune to unforeseeable events. It is still a risk asset. Okay, it can drop, but granted, you know, if that is the case, like if nothing happens this cycle, which is hard to believe, you know, if nothing was to happen, we have potential third world war looming, we have recessions looming. If none of that was to happen during this cycle before the end of 2025, then we will see a run similar to like what we did in 2016, where it just keeps going up, up, and up to the end of 2025. We will see drops along the way, you know, 30%, 40% drops as we continue, but this should be, that should be the normal cycle, okay? We are in the consolidation phase. We are pulling out of it. This is the time to be getting in. All the altcoins are at their lowest points. We'll see very soon, actually, if this holds up, if my theory holds up. This is the point, guys. Yeah, it's time. If you like this video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a great day.